Now let's discuss what is HR analytics. Human resources. Analytics is a process of using data and analysis to make better decisions in the field of human resources. It involves collecting and examining information about employees and their work to gain insights that can help a company or organization improve its HR practices. Here's a breakdown of HR analytics in simple terms with examples. Data collection. HR analytics starts by gathering data related to employees. This data can include information like employee demographics, age, gender, location, performance reviews, attendance records, and more. Example: a company collects data on how often employees come to work on time and how their performance has been rated by their managers. Data analysis. Once the data is collected, it is analyzed using various statistical methods and software tools. The goal is to find patterns and trends within the data that can provide useful insights. Example: by analyzing the data, the HR team might discover that employees who arrive on time tend to perform better in their jobs. Predictive analysis. HR analytics can also be used to predict future outcomes. For instance, it can predict which employees are more likely to leave the company or which ones are likely to excel in their roles. Example: using historical data, HR analytics might predict that employees who haven't received a pay raise in a while are more likely to look for other job opportunities. Talent acquisition. HR analytics can be used to optimize the hiring process. It helps in identifying the best sources for finding new talent and understanding what qualities and skills are most important for specific job roles. Example: by analyzing the data, a company might discover that job candidates from a particular university or with certain certifications tend to perform exceptionally well in a specific role. Employee engagement and retention. HR analytics can assess the level of employee satisfaction and engagement within the organization. It can highlight areas where improvements are needed to retain valuable employees. Example: through surveys and data analysis, HR might find that employees who receive regular feedback and recognition tend to stay with the company longer. Cost savings. By analyzing data related to employee turnover, absenteeism, and other factors, HR analytics can help companies reduce costs associated with recruitment, training, and employee turnover. Example: a company might realize that by implementing a flexible work schedule, they can reduce the turnover rate and save money on constantly hiring and training new employees. In summary, HR analytics is about using data and analysis to make HR decisions that benefit both the organization and its employees. It helps companies improve their hiring processes, employee engagement, and overall effectiveness in managing their workforce. By understanding patterns and trends in HR data, organizations can make more informed decisions to achieve their goals more efficiently.